how does a pallet flow rack work? On most racks, a pallet stays exactly where the forklift puts it. Not here. It's loaded at the back of the rack, onto rails set on a slight incline, either rollers or wheeled tracks, depending on the pallet type. Once released, the pallet rolls forward on its own, no push needed, until it reaches the next pallet or the end stop. The lane fills from back to front. Brake rollers keep pallets moving at a controlled speed. At the front, the lead pallet rests against an end stop, ready to pick. To pick a pallet, the forklift comes back to the front of the rack. It lifts the front pallet straight off the rail. The next pallet in line rolls forward automatically, taking its place. Load from the back, pick from the front. That's what makes a pallet flow rack first in, first out. If your product needs that kind of rotation, talk to the engineers at Speedrack West.